Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi K30 Pro, and I'll show you how easy you can adjust notification icons. So what we have to do, just open the notification bar and then move right here and then tap to edit. So if you would like to adjust these icons that are already on the notification bar, for example, you would like to get NFC in the upper section, right? So you have to click and hold it, then drag it right here and put it. And you can see it changed, right? If you really want to remove one of these icons, for example, the Mi Share, click hold and then put it here. And if you want to get the additional icons like the focus mode, it's very good option. If you are not using it, I can recommend you to try this feature, especially when you are working. Let's click hold and then drag it in the place that you want to get it. For example, I'm going to replace it with the auto brightness. After that, you have to click down, and as you can see, that's how it changed. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!